Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Lore of English Literature YouTube channel. This is the second video of Anglo-Saxon Age. The first video on Anglo-Saxon Age has already been uploaded. So let's start today's topic. Well, in this lecture we will talk about the poetry which was written during Anglo-Saxon Age. The most famous poem of this age is Beowulf. It is an epic poem. Nobody knows who wrote this poem. This poem consists of 3,100 lines. We come to know in this poem that a monster named Grendel terrorizes an area in Denmark, and then Beowulf is called to kill Grendel. After the death of Grendel, his mother came to take revenge, and she is also killed by Beowulf. But the first poem in English literature was written by Caedmon. Caedmon was a shepherd, and one night in his dream he saw a sacred figure or a prophet. The prophet asked Caedmon to sing in praise of the Almighty. Caedmon did this, and then he woke up and wrote those words in 9 lines poem. That poem became the first poem in English literature. The second famous poet of this age is Cynewulf. Cynewulf has 4 poems to his credit. The poems are Juliana, Eileen, Christ to the Fate of Apostles. Beside Caedmon and Cynewulf, another name comes forward of Bede. Bede was more famous as an historian rather than a poet. His famous book is Ecclesiastical History of English People. Because this poem was written in Latin language, it is not given much importance in English literature. Bede wrote only one poem in English language, and that poem consists of only 5 lines. If we talk about the writing technique of the poems written during this age, we will notice that the poems are written in alliterative words. Alliterative words is like rise and fall music. For example, in the line, lines like to live in lower region. The L sound has been repeated 4 times. That is why it is alliterative words. In alliterative words, consonant sound must be repeated more than 3 times. The literary term kinning was also used during this age. Kinning is a combination of 2 words and is used as a metaphor. For example, Whale Road is used for sea, Storykeeper is used for book, and Sky Climber is used for mountain. The other famous poems of this age are The Dream of the Rood, The Ruin. The Ruin is about the destruction of buildings, walls, and towers which were built during the time when Britain was under the control of Roman Empire. In the Wanderer poem, the speaker has been exiled and remembered the time which he spent in serving his master. But now his master and his companions are killed. The poem Doer also belonged to this age, and in this poem the poet compares his sorrows to the sorrows of the past people and says that when that time passed away, this present time will also pass away. The Seafarer is about adventure. In the poem, the speaker does not like to live on the land because there are responsibilities and no adventure. He wants to go to sea for an adventure. The poem Husband's Message consists of 53 lines. The husband in the poem yearns to meet his wife because he has left his wife few days ago. The husband writes his emotions on a piece of wood, and the words become the real words of the poem. With this, I have come to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video.